gawa tayo ng quick pickled pepino. First, bawang. Then, let's put honey kasi hindi ako naglalagay ng asukal. And then, garlic powder. Dapat generous. Then, salt. Apple cider vinegar. I'm just going to mix and set aside lang natin. So, I like it ground. Pipino, syempre. Hindi naman yan magiging pickled pipino kung walang pipino, diba? So, ayan. Mix lang natin. Naglalaway ako. With bawang. Perfect! Bye!